Do you believe in God?
No, maybe.
How come?
Maybe I do. I don't know. I can't answer that question.
Do you know about any religions?
Yeah, I know about Islam and stuff.
Which one, out of all of the religions, which one do you believe in the most? Or is it, you can say none, it's fine.
Probably Islam. It's quite cool, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you believe in God?
No.
Fair enough, thank you so much.
No worries, man.
Do you believe in God?
No.
Do you believe in God?
Some of it.
How come? Elaborate.
People suffer,
People suffer.
and if he was here, I think he'd make them not.
Yeah.
And I feel like if he determines everyone's life, why people bad,
Yeah.
he's kind of making them bad.
But what about when there's like suffering in the world? Why would there be suffering?
That's what I mean.
Do you believe in God?
Of course I believe in God. I am Muslim.
Why? Explain.
Huh?
Why are you Muslim?
I was born Muslim. You know Muhammad, La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah.
Yes. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Do you believe in God?
I'm God.
You are God.
I do believe.
Elaborate.
I do believe in God. Yeah.
Would you like to expand?
Carrying the Bible.
You carry a Bible.
Yeah.
Oh, fair play.
That's what you say.
Strong believer. I respect
I
that.
am. And I have my razor. Reason.
Is that religious?
Well, it's part of what I believe in. It keeps me safe. So.
Do you believe in God?
No.
Elaborate.
I don't know, it's just nothing from God's ever come good to me, I suppose. I've prayed, nothing's happened, so
Yeah.
I don't believe.
Do you believe in God?
No.
Elaborate. How come?
I just, in terms of like the Bible and that, I believe more in like the Big Bang.
Yeah. What religion are you?
I just Christian, but
Yeah.
I've got my own beliefs. Everybody believe different, don't they?
Yeah.
So
Do you believe in God?
Yes.
Would you like to elaborate on that? as to why?
Just the things what have gone on in life.
Yeah.
Little bits and bobs, different wars, different famines, different things in other countries.
You seen anything?
Well, no, but I believe, there's a God because how the universe is and how we are and how we all get on.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't get on, but majority of people get on in the world.
Yeah.
And I think like we should be all forthcoming for Jesus Christ and God. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't go to church, but I have been.
But you believe?
Yeah,
You believe it,
because my mum passed away.
Yeah. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, thank you. But other than that, and I think it's a good thing, and it's a strong thing in England. I think about God because a lot of us people I say are losing faith